Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the subtitle background in the Dead by Daylight. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to options. They are right here at the bottom, and go over to accessibility. Now here we will have the in-game text section, and right here we will have the subtitle background. Here we can change it or completely disable it, so we can do the opaque, we can do the 60% opacity and 30%. It's all up to our preference, so I'll definitely turn it off because I do not like the backgrounds, but it's all up to you guys. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.